Imagine this, it's the middle of the month, your paycheck is gone. You thought you had enough to last, but unexpected expenses came up. You need to pay rent. The landlord is expecting the payment on time and there's no way to delay it. You need to buy food. The fridge is almost empty and you have a family to feed, but you have no more money. This is scary. The bills are piling up and the stress is overwhelming. It happens to many people. You are not alone. Financial struggles are more common than you think. There is a way to fix this. It is called budgeting. Budgeting is a powerful tool that can help you regain control. Budgeting helps you control your money. By planning your expenses, you can ensure that your money lasts the entire month. It helps you feel safe. Knowing exactly where your money is going can reduce stress and give you peace of mind. When you budget, you know where your money is going. You can track your spending and make adjustments as needed. You can plan for the future. Budgeting allows you to save for important goals, like a vacation or a new car. You can achieve your dreams. With a solid budget, you can turn your financial goals into reality. Start budgeting today and take control of your financial future. Hello, I am here to help you start budgeting. It is easier than you think. Budgeting is simply planning how to spend your money. It means knowing how much you earn and where it goes. Budgeting gives you control. You can buy the things you need. You can save for the things you want. You can stop worrying about money. Let's learn a simple yet effective budgeting rule that can help you manage your finances better. It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and it's a straightforward way to allocate your income. This rule helps you divide your money into three main categories, making it easier to track and control your spending. 50% of your money should be allocated to needs. These are essential expenses that you cannot live without. Needs include things like housing, groceries, utilities, and other necessary bills that keep your household running. This means paying your rent or mortgage, buying food, and covering utility bills like electricity and water. 30% of your money should be allocated to wants. These are non-essential expenses that enhance your lifestyle. Wants are things you would like to have but can live without. They include dining out, entertainment, and shopping for clothes. This category covers activities like going out with friends, buying new clothes, or enjoying a night out. Finally, 20% of your money should be allocated to savings and debt repayment. This is crucial for your financial health. This includes saving for emergencies, building an emergency fund, or paying off loans and other debts to secure your future. By following the 50-30-20 rule, you can create a balanced budget that helps you live within your means while also planning for the future. This simple rule can bring peace of mind and financial stability, allowing you to enjoy life without the stress of financial uncertainty. Start applying the 50-30-20 rule today and take control of your financial future. Section 4. Starting your budget journey. Let's start budgeting. Budgeting is a crucial step towards financial freedom and stability. It might seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll be on your way to mastering your finances. First, find out how much money you earn each month. This is your income. It's important to have a clear understanding of your earnings before you can plan your spending. Then, track your spending. This means keeping a record of every dollar you spend, no matter how small. Write down everything you buy for a month. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Next, set some goals. Goals give you a direction and purpose for your budgeting efforts. What do you want to achieve? Think about both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals could be saving for a new gadget or a weekend getaway, while long-term goals might include buying a house or saving for retirement. Do you want to buy a house? This is a common long-term goal that requires careful planning and saving. Do you want to travel? Traveling can be expensive, so it's important to budget for it in advance. Write down your goals. Having them in writing makes them more tangible and achievable. Now make a budget plan. A budget plan is a roadmap for your money. It helps you allocate your income towards your expenses, savings, and goals. Use the 50-30-20 rule to divide your money. This rule suggests that you allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Adjust your spending if needed. If you find that you're spending too much on wants, you may need to cut back. It's all about finding a balance that works for you. If you spend too much on wants, cut back. Prioritize your needs and goals over your wants. This might mean making some sacrifices, but it will be worth it in the long run. Finally, review your budget every month. Regular reviews help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. See what worked and what didn't. This will help you improve your budgeting skills over time and achieve your financial goals more effectively. Section 5. Sticking to your budget. Sticking to your budget is important. Here are some tips. Use a budgeting app. It will help you track your spending. Set up automatic savings. This way, you save money without thinking about it. Plan for emergencies. Save some money each month for unexpected expenses. Finally, ask for help if you need it. There are people who can help you with budgeting. Start budgeting today. You can do it.